Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool and edgy bleached witchy woman sweater. For the materials, you'll need a mostly cotton black sweater, a bucket half filled with water and 2 cups of bleach, a spray bottle with bleach, rubber gloves, an iron, clips, and an iron-on decal. First, dunk the sweater in the bucket wherever you'd like it bleached. Clip it on to hold it and let it sit until it gets to the color you want. Keep moving it around to bleach where you want, and you can spray other areas you don't want fully submerged. Once you have the sweater how you want it, remove it from the bleach and wash it by itself. After the sweater's washed and dried, figure out where you want the decal to go and iron it on. And that's it! It's so fun and festive for spooky season and will really get you in the holiday spirit. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching!